See that?
Something is hidden here.
It feels warm. Maybe it's a clue. Look!
A map. It shows footprints. Let's follow them.
Do you think it's real treasure?
Maybe something even better.
It looks like a door. Maybe a secret one. It's opening. It's opening. There it is. The hidden chest. Should we open it together? Yes, together. Ready? Ready?
They're beautiful.
Treasures of the forest.
It looks like instructions.
Maybe clues.
It's showing us the next steps.
We follow the tree.
Should we take it with us?
Let's keep it safe.
The big tree must be this way.
Do you think the tree is far?
Every step brings us closer.
Wow, look at this place.
The map wanted us to see this.
I can feel we're close.
The forest feels excited too. This must be the tree. It's responding to you. Maybe it knows we're following the map.
It's showing us something.
Maybe where to use the treasures.
It feels warm. It's guiding us.
They look like pieces of the forest. Maybe they match what we found in the chest. You activated it. Let's see what comes next. There are more places to fit the pieces.
It's like waking the tree up. It feels alive.
Let's place it together.
It's changing.
We helped it remember.
What happens now? Maybe the tree will show us.
Is it for us? Maybe it's guiding us again.
It's showing another place.
A new direction.
This way.
It feels like the forest is helping us. It matches the symbols. Do you think it will open again? Only one way to find out.
It's floating.
Something's waking up again.
They look like parts of a key.
A forest key.
It's beautiful.
Maybe it unlocks something. The forest is opening! It's leading us to the next secret. This place feels older, like it's been waiting for us. The light is singing. It's guiding us forward. It's like the forest is talking. Maybe it's telling us where to go next.
It's beautiful.
This must be another guardian place. It's reacting to you. What is this place? A memory chamber.
Look like stories.
Stories the forest kept safe. It's choosing you again. It's giving you something. A message or a path. The forest wants us to go deeper. It feels alive in here. Maybe it's guiding us toward the chest.
They're showing us the way.
And they're making sure we don't get lost.
It looks like it's waiting for something.
Did you just unlock it? Maybe, but it's not finished yet.
Do we go down there?
If we want to find the hidden chest, then yes.
It feels like a dream.
Or a secret the forest has kept safe for a long time.
This car. Is the chest behind there?
It feels important. Everything has been leading us here. It's responding to you again. Is that the hidden chest? Yes! We finally found it!
They look like forest stories.
Koko, they're moving because of us.
It's showing us something.
It's showing us something. They're stories about teamwork, just like us. Maybe that's why we were chosen to find them. Koko, that one, it's calling you. It's our story. And a reminder. So, what do we do now?
We share what we found.
It trusts us with its secrets. And we'll protect them together. The forest is guiding us back. Oh, goodbye.
We really found something magical today.
Because we searched together.
The world feels brighter now.
Because we learned something important. The forest doesn't need the map anymore. Because we carry the lesson now.
I'm glad we searched together.
Because together, we discover magic.